Jasper Marker Notebook, and I have for you some new notebooks that I'm bringing to the shop. You can see I've got this one made in B6 slim size. If you watched a previous video I did on the covers that I recently purchased from Chic Sparrow, you know that I'm trying to stay with a B6 slim and B6 all year. We'll see how that works out for me, but I'm really gonna give it a go. So I have that, and then it's just these notebooks make me so happy. Anyway, so this is a few new notebooks that are coming to the shop very, very soon. So we have the moon with florals and butterflies and stars and clouds. We have this awesome little woman bringing in 2020. And then we have this beautiful floral with the pink and the gold and the black. Printed on both sides, these two. The lady, she is only on there. The back is blank, so you can do whatever you want with that. These notebooks will be given away in the Facebook group during my 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. I will leave a link below to you in the description for my Facebook VIP group if you want to come over, check it out, interact with us, and maybe win this whole collection. These are in Cahier size, which is 5 by 8.25. I can trim them down somewhat, but these ones for the giveaway, this is what you're getting. So you're getting a lined one, you're getting 100% cotton dot grid, so you can test out the cotton paper, and then another lined notebook for 2020 and bringing it in. But again, these will be in the Facebook giveaway and they will be awesome. So now on to my little Hydracolor unboxing. She was on sale for Cyber Monday, and I have been lusting after her watercolors for a long time. So I decided to give them a try for the her sale. Now these are handmade watercolors. They appear to be stunning online, so we will check them out. And I'm going to test them out. I made this notebook for myself with Tomoe paper. So I'm just gonna give it a go on this first page here and kind of swatch out all the colors for you. And my first impressions, opinion on these Hydracolor watercolors. I'm going to try and not make it too long. This color is called Electra. I'm hoping, what I've seen online is that she also writes the color on the side of the half pan for you, so I don't need to necessarily keep that, and she does. So this is Electra, and she has a magnet on the bottom, which now I need a case because I don't have a case. I don't know. I still have some blue in here. I do. So, and there's not much water in this pen, so I'm hoping I can make it through because I also don't want to have to go upstairs. So this is Electra, and I haven't awoken these watercolors with water yet, so I don't know how pigmented they will be. It does have some shimmer to it, and let's just see together. First impression, it's a very pretty color, but it does appear to be very light. But again, that could be just because I didn't awaken the colors before. So that is Electra. This one is called Fantasia. They came beautifully wrapped in the little baggie. They came super fast. Again, I ordered them Cyber Monday, so here's Fantasia. Let's see. Oh, it looks really, really pretty. Oh, wow. I need agua in my pen. I really, really do. This is beautiful. Again, I'm on some Tomoe paper here. So, oh wow, that's impressive. I have a Treyu. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Doesn't matter. I don't know. You know, I ordered these late at night, you know, like that midnight shopping when you like, and I was like, oh, it's Cyber Monday. I hope she's on sale kind of thing. I wasn't sure. Wow. Again, very shimmery. I'm impressed. I definitely need water in my pen. That's okay. Nugget, which is supposed to be like a gold, so I'm super excited to see what this is looking like. And again, I'm not trying to make this video too long, but gosh, these are tough to open. But that's good because that just means that they're wrapped really nicely. And can you believe how full these half pans are? Like that in itself is like, look at that. That's amazing. So this is Nugget, and I'm really hoping it's going to give me what I'm looking for. What I'm really impressed with is you can see the color movement on the actual watercolor. Yeah, I need agua in my pen. You can actually see the movement on the watercolor itself, which is so pretty to see. I love watercolors and all the different movement and blending you can get with them. I mean, they're just such a fabulous medium to work with and play with. Wow, that's beautiful. Lots of color in that Nugget and shimmer. Then this is Cabernet. I love the different colored wrappings that she put on here too. It's so nice to be able to support other women, small businesses, you know. This was one of my treats to myself with my Cyber Monday sales. I don't often do stuff like that. But I figured I earned it. So I treated myself. And the sale was pretty good. I mean, buying handmade watercolors is not cheap, but watercolors in themselves are not cheap. You know, if you want high quality watercolors, they are not cheap at all. So I'm a little shocked with the Cabernet color. It's got a more brown to it than I expected. It's a great color for fall, that's for sure. But it is definitely way more brown than I was hoping for. That's okay. Let's see how it dries. It's still really wet, so we'll see when it dries. This is Evergreen, and you know, I do December dailies, so who knows what'll pop up with a little Evergreen. So here's Evergreen. What I would like to do is get myself a little tin and then keep a watercolor pen and that tin. Oh, that's beautiful. Back to what I was saying before I was, oh wow, that color is just stunning. I would like to keep the tin and a watercolor pen upstairs with me because I do like to journal in bed and watercolor in bed, which I know might sound like, oh my God, what are you doing, woman? I haven't had any accidents yet, especially with these pens. I mean, really all you need is one of these diaper cloths and a pen, watercolor brush pen, and you're fine for what I want to do, which is just plop some water down on my page and then journal on it. I think I even have an extra heat gun laying around here. I might bring that upstairs too. It's been an adjustment for me since the move because now, you know, all of my art stuff is downstairs in the basement, which is fine because it keeps it out of my bedroom. But I had my art stuff in my bedroom for years and years and years and years. And it's weird not having any of my stuff up there. I didn't realize how much I would do like at night after the kids went to bed. And sometimes I don't want to come all the way down to the basement just to, you know, plop some color on my notebook and dry it so that I can go back all the way upstairs and journal. And upstairs is not just, you know, down to the basement and then upstairs. No, upstairs is all the way up. I have another flight of stairs to go. So I'm not complaining. I'm just saying why I'm a little crazy here in thinking that I want to grab a little tin because this tin is full of my Daniel Smith and my core watercolors, and take one of my watercolor pens upstairs and have that by the bed so that I can journal with my watercolors, you know, at night and not have to worry about coming all the way down to my lair, my work area. So this color is Jazzy Berry, and again, beautiful, beautiful colors. I will definitely order from Hydracolor again. My pen made it, but it is now completely empty. So good job. And then my favorite watercolor pens are the Pentel watercolor pens, brush pens. These are my favorite ones. The fibers are really, really soft, and they do hold quite a decent amount of water in them. And you get a really, really fine point. I think this is the thick one. I have this big fat one, and I don't use that one. Then the really, really fine one. And then, what is this one? This is the same size as that one, I think. And then there's like a medium one. Here it is. So this is like my favorite tip. So this is what, I had a mini one in this, but I've since lost it somewhere. This one I'm going to take upstairs. I'm going to take this tin with my Hydracolors on top of it upstairs with me, and this will be my traveling tin. But those are the colors, and I think they are just, they're stunning. So this was, I think everything's still wet. Have to be very, very careful with this heat gun because I have burned Shimmery paper before. This heat gun gets super, super hot, which is wonderful for embossing, but it is not wonderful for the Shimmery paper. All right, so just so I have a reference, since I did this here, this one is, I don't like this pen, Electra. No, I don't like pens that feel like markers. They don't make me happy. This was, and I kept them pretty much in order. This was Fantasia. And another reason why I love these pens so much, because you just saw me right over my watercolor with no problem. This was Atreyu. And Nugget. And Cabernet. And then Evergreen, which I think is my favorite out of the colors I got. And I think Jazzy Berry is probably my second favorite. I would love to know what you guys think. Have you ordered from Hydracolor? I can't talk. Have you ordered from Hydracolor? What do you think of the watercolors that I just swatched out? They're stunning. So I'm just kind of bringing it, I don't know. I'm sitting down and I'm being lazy and don't want to stand up. So I'm hoping you're seeing what I'm seeing. We'll find out when I take a look at the video to edit it. I would love to know your thoughts. I would love to know what you're thinking in regards to me bringing up some watercolors upstairs. Am I crazy or not? Again, I was testing some hot pink dots, and I didn't make them the right size, and I didn't want to throw that piece of Tomoe paper out, so I just stuck it in my book. And then I have another tester in here, I think, too, or like a blank sheet, like it didn't go through the printer when I was working on an order, so I just threw that in here too. Again, just not wasting. This is gonna be kind of like a brain dump slash money tracker, savings tracker, not money tracker, but savings tracker for me. Yeah, so yeah, look, Nugget wasn't even fully dry and my pen still worked on it. Yep, best pen in the world. Love these pens. The envelope, pilot envelope, address writing pen, I don't know, love it. So yeah, let me know, what do you think? Am I crazy? Am I smart for trying to bring everything upstairs? What do you think? Alrighty, I'll talk to you later. Bye.